Today we're going to make a grounding tool to make electrical diagnostics a little bit faster. Bear with me as apparently I lost the audio for this, so this is all done in post. First off, we're going to take the foot off the C-clamp. We need to add a point to this and add a wire between these two pieces. First off, we're going to clamp the body of the clamp in the vise so that we can use the automatic punch to create a punch point. Then we're going to pilot drill a small hole and then drill it out to the final diameter. Now, before we get to the next section of the video, I did consult my cousin Safety Sal, and he said, "Well, as long as you wear your safety squints, all should be safe." Remember, kids, don't do stupid things. Got a ground off little spot, so get good contact with the wiring. Come on, hands. Get back in frame. I tell you, hard to get good help these days. Just a little bit into... Come on now. You can do it. I have about 14 inches of wire. My only complaint having used this for about a week is I wish I would have added a little bit more wire there. We'll add a ring terminal in the end, crimp it on, and throw a machine screw and a nut on it. We're going to clamp this onto a piece of metal. We're going to take our multimeter, set it to ohms so we can check for electrical continuity. Make sure the wiring all is connected properly. This works really well. There we go. Works really well for rusty vehicle frames. Alright. Thank you for watching and have a good day.